Hi guys, welcome back to Agadir Morocco Day 2. We are starting our day with a lovely breakfast buffet.
We have a fun-packed day today with lots of activities like jet skiing, cable car ride, boat cruising and camel and horse riding.
We booked a VIP cable car.
The VIP cable car from Oufella station cost us 800 Moroccan dirhams, which is roughly £70, included the lounge, tea coffee refreshments and a VIP cabin. We had Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in our VIP cabin as well.
The views were so beautiful. The ride to Kasbah was about 20 minutes long.
Kasbah Agadir is a fortress that was built in 1540. This was destroyed by an earthquake in the 1960s and this is what remains.
We're going on a camel right now. I'm so excited! Oh my god, I was so scared when the camel stood up.
Each camel cost us 200 Moroccan dirhams, which is £15, £30 for the two camels along the beautiful scenic views of the coast. And this beautiful horse pony ride cost us 100 dirhams, which is roughly £8. We are on our way back now and we'll be heading towards Marina Agadir.
We hired a boat for cruising.
This boat cruise for 30 minutes was about 500 Moroccan dirhams, which is £40. Hi, Mariam. We enjoyed the serenity of the North Atlantic Ocean.
They were having fun on the Jack Sparrow boat. We are now headed to the Agadir Beach for jet skiing.
Keep it on you.
No.
We had so much fun in the water and I got soaked.
Best. Mazal. Very nice.
And what about you?
Best chai in the world, better than Pakistani chai.
30-minute jet ski session cost us 600 Moroccan dirhams, which is about 47 pounds. We visited the famous Souk El Had market in Agadir. Kiwi. It's a kiwi. All the flags in here as well.
We finished the day off with a swim in the ocean. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll come back with more videos.